In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folders in Wrike using the Quick Create button. This is the fastest way to organize your work from anywhere in your Wrike workspace, and it only takes a few clicks. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly what to expect and how to set things up cleanly. First, look to the top right corner of your screen for the small plus icon. This is the Quick Create button. It's designed to help you add new items without leaving your current view so you can stay focused. Go ahead and click that plus icon. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose Folder. This tells Wrike you're creating a container to group tasks, projects, or subfolders, rather than a single task or a full project with schedules. Selecting Folder keeps things flexible for general organization. You'll now be prompted to name your folder. Keep the name concise but descriptive so teammates can instantly understand its purpose. Wrike allows up to 100 characters, which is plenty, but it's best to avoid overly long titles. Important note: don't use commas, semicolons, forward slashes, or backslashes in the folder name. Those characters can cause issues with paths and searches, so stick to letters, numbers, spaces, dashes, or underscores. A clear naming pattern like Team Topic Quarter can make things easy to scan later. Next, choose the folder's location. This is where the folder will live. You can place it inside a space if it belongs to a broader team or department area, inside another folder if it's part of a hierarchy, or inside a project if it supports a specific initiative. Pick the place where people will naturally look for this information. If you're unsure, start in the most relevant space. You can always move it later if needed. Before you finalize, configure the sharing settings. Decide who should see and collaborate on this folder. If it's intended for a specific team, share it with that group. If it's sensitive, keep access limited. Remember, permissions can inherit from the location you selected, so double-check visibility to avoid oversharing or hiding it from the people who need it. When everything looks right, click Create. Your folder is created instantly and will appear in the location you chose. From there, you can start organizing tasks or nesting additional structure as your workflow grows. That's it, the quickest way to create a folder in Wrike with confidence and clarity using Quick Create.